Hey guys, how you going? Welcome back to another video. First of all, I just want to say huge thank you to everyone who's been supporting the VL build that Nathan's been doing. It's been great. He's loved all the support and all the comments that we're getting, all the likes and everything. Oh, it's awesome. So if you haven't checked it out, go check it out. We've made a playlist of it. The last video has nearly got 1,000 views already, which is absolutely crazy. And we've just hit over 800 subs. So road to 1,000 subs. It's good, nearly there. First big achievement. It's a bit windy out today, so I thought I'd record in the VP, do the intro on the VP, but I'm going to go back to Brendan's today. He bought a new car, so I'll show you guys that. Yeah, another car. I've got a few things to do after that as well. The day might end in with a couple of shed skids, but we'll see how it goes and if I record it or not. Might just chuck some footage in at the end. But yeah, so we'll head out to Brendan's now, do a bit of a walk around of his new car, go do a skid in the white AU down the paddock, and get ready for tonight. So, would you believe that he got another AU? Yeah, pop the hood, Fairmont, bare XR seats, but the best bit, you ready? Oh, cunt. There you go, Sean.
Rev it.
Gets the dose. Oh, by the way, close the hood. It's got a Fairlane front end swap.
It will be painted.
Yeah, he wants to get it painted and do a couple of things, get it mod plated and stuff. Doesn't sound bad. Oh, it's turbo, but doesn't sound bad for a Barra.
Yeah.
Actually has a bit of a note to it. Yeah, hollowed out cat. It's nice. Happy. Oh, that's sick. So we've got no power steering fluid. AU's getting a little bit of love.
Oh, I know. Sump oil.
What? Oh!
No.
Out of what?
My Commodore.
You put sump oil in it. You can see the. Ah, it's alright.
I got the wrong bottle.
That's why you throw out old bottles, Brendan.
No, you don't. That smells like real oil.
Real oil,
Yeah,
hey?
used.
Oh.
Could be fine.
Hello. Oil porn. Just changed tyres over. Got the beast running. Gonna go for some skids. What? Hang on. Wait, you got a mad fuel leak. Stop, stop. Yeah, it's pissing out. Try and start it. Yeah, stop, 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 stop. Yeah, you broke a fuel line. I mean that jump. You're gonna have to tell. What have you done, Mr. Drifter?
The tyre's pretty bold though. Like
the fuck your tyre? You broke a fuel line.
No, the tyre! Don't worry about the fuel line.
it probably broke the fuel line.
Some funny games, so you have to get your walking shoes out. Luckily we're not far away. Just gonna move the AU and my VP over there and take a photo of them both. It'll be posted on my Instagram, so you'll see the photo at mint__VP. What would you want? So I don't know how the glare is, but we put the AU on the trailer. It's getting ready. I'm gonna meet Brendan in town. I'm gonna go in and see James. I don't remember we went to Rotary Revival. James came with us. We're gonna take the RX-7 in, but problems there. He's got the RX-7. He did a single turbo conversion. It hit boost cut and it's not running right, but he's gonna bring it in and skid it as well. So I'll go and see James and then Brendan will meet me in town. So beautiful.
Hey.
Trying to think they've had a good look at the RX-7 yet. Those genuine SSRs?
Yeah. Forged.
Hey?
They're not too close.
Manual, obviously, can't go for that auto shit.
You gotta always have your...
Oh, and your ECU. I'll come round and have a look. It's in the same place as the Commodores, mate.
Yeah, mate.
coolant. Oh, fuck.
Radiator. Turbo.
Yeah, I heard the turbo loose.
Turbo, the door's not fit.
Yeah, heard that.
You're welcome, everybody.
That was
You saw it here, lock, stomp and steer. James Bluick's RX-7.
That's how you send it.
Yeah, man, man. Someone's got to rip out the piston rings you just fried. Alright, yep. It was just a heater hose.
Oh,
And then it would have just sucked a
Sucked
heap of
into-
coolant
yeah.
into the turbo.
what do you think of your experience? How'd it go?
That was pretty fun.
Yeah?
Yeah. I like blowing up rotaries.
Yeah, worth it.
That was only a couple of
It
grand.
was bloody good. Well, you got second in that too.
Yeah, that was second.
Yep.
Full rip. That was like 14 pound. That wasn't even hitting the boost cut.
Oh,
Yeah,
fuck.
I don't know. It just kept winding off the gauge, man.
That's the way. Delaminated. I know, you nearly fucking hopped over it. Alright, just sit there and we'll let you cool down and then I'll pull you off.
Yeah. Both of them started peeling.
You know when I was like, ah!
Try again if you want.
Oh, look at the slap up the side.
It might buff out.
Yeah,
Red and blues.
red and blues.
Everyone off the pad.
Everyone off the pad.
Everyone off the pad.
Forgot to tell.
Yeah.
Oh, here they are, here.
Yeah, Christmas is in there.
Are they coppers or not? Yeah, with the torches. Oh, no, that's fire. Oi! That's funny as.
He went up that way.
Alright, so as you saw the RX-7 before, that's James. Go follow the Black 7 on Instagram. I'll put it up on the screen now. Gonna be putting up some good content. Everyone loves an RX-7, so you can't not follow.
Another intercooler pipe down. That's why it was leaking boost.
Oh. Ooh.
Alright, that's something we can tell people. I didn't realise it actually broke something other than blowing that coolant line.
Bit of a hole.
Now you'll see it go out with a bang in the video before.
Yeah. Everything come up from under the bonnet, blue. Oh, you
Yeah.
put the hose back on that.
That hose there blue.
That
yeah.
hose right there, blue, and the turbo sucked in all the coolant water.
And half of the bonnet lining.
Oh, wow.
That's why I'm glad I had that turbo guard.
Yeah.
Not that it's a real turbo guard.
You can see it on it just.
Yeah.
All coolant.
Yeah,
Oh,
oh,
well.
ready to blow it up. We nearly achieved that goal. We broke it. It's a good start.
It was a good skid, sounded sick when it wasn't.
When it wasn't backfiring.
Yeah. Fire. Yeah.
That's awesome.
No, I singled the whole time.
Yeah. Oh well.
Flames there, man.
Alright, cheers.
Light on it.
That's sick.
Oh,
What rim? Look at it glowing. See if the RX-7 starts.
Light.